At its core, the MDO3000 is a feature-packed oscilloscope with industry-leading scope performance. It has the performance you'd expect from a Tektronix digital phosphor oscilloscope. They're available with either 2 or 4 analog measurement channels. For the most accurate signal capture, the included probes provide the industry's highest bandwidth and lowest capacitive loading. Minimize the effect of probing on your circuit's operation and still get the ease of use of wide dynamic range. Discover problems in seconds with Tektronix' unique fast-ACK high-speed capture rate and digital phosphor technology. With a fast waveform capture rate of up to 280,000 waveforms per second, you'll see glitches and other elusive problems quickly. And the color-graded display visually shows you just how often particular events occur. With over 125 trigger combinations, including triggers for serial packet content and parallel data, you can capture your event of interest the first time. And with a record length of up to 10 million points, you can capture a long time window to see what's happening in your device while maintaining resolution to zoom in on signal details. Once you've captured your signal, the innovative Wave Inspector controls let you automatically search your entire waveform record for an event you specify. Find every occurrence of the event and navigate quickly from event to event. With up to 33 automated measurements and advanced waveform math, you have the tools you need to easily analyze your device's behavior. Optional analysis tools for serial buses, power measurements, limit and mask testing extend your MDO3000 series capability. You can even upgrade bandwidth as your requirements change. The MDO3000 is as integrated as your designs. Its capabilities as an oscilloscope rival those of any in the industry, yet it includes capabilities far beyond those of a typical scope.